Hey there, in today's video I'll be showing you how to render lard from pork fat, a traditional ingredient that brings incredible flavor to Vietnamese cooking. Lard isn't just a simple alternative to cooking oil, it adds a rich, nutty taste to stir fries, braises, and so many other dishes. Plus, it's packed with minerals and vitamins, especially vitamin D, which is great for heart health, respiratory health, and even muscle strength. Here's what you'll need: 1 kilogram of pork fat, a bit of salt water, 3 shallots a jar for storage. Let's dive right in. I like to use pork fat or pork belly fat for this. I've got 1 kilogram of pork fat here with the skin removed. Start by rubbing it with salt and rinsing it well. To clean it up a bit more and remove any strong smell, let's blanch it. Bring water to a boil, add a little salt, and drop the fat in for about a minute. After a quick blanch, rinse it well. Now cut the fat into pieces about half to 1 centimeter thick. Don't cut them too thick or they'll take forever to render down, but if they're too thin, the crispy bits might shrink and dry out too much. We're keeping those crispy bits, or cracklings, for other dishes. In Vietnamese cooking, we love adding cracklings to dishes like top mo chien gion, top mo chai toi, or top mo shao dua. To prevent sticking and reduce splattering, add a bit of salt and around 250 milliliters of water for each kilogram of fat. Set your heat to medium. Cook gently, stirring occasionally to avoid burning. It's all about cooking the pork fat slowly until it releases that lovely golden oil, and we're left with crispy cracklings. At first, the mix will look cloudy, but as it cooks, the water evaporates and the fat turns clear. When that happens, add 3 to 4 shallots, peeled and washed. They add an amazing aroma to the fat. Turn the heat down a bit and stir occasionally. Once the fat releases more oil, use a ladle to skim the liquid fat off into a separate bowl. Keep cooking until the fat pieces have fully rendered down, are golden brown and nice and crispy. When it's all done, pour the cooled liquid fat into a jar. To keep it fresh longer, store the jar in the fridge. It'll turn solid and creamy white, so aromatic and perfect for adding a spoonful to boost any dish's flavor. And remember, it's nutritious too, as I mentioned earlier. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're someone who loves cooking, especially Vietnamese dishes, don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. I'd also love to hear your ideas for using pork fat in the comments. See you next time!